Ako talaga, mahuhuli na kami. Uh, ah,
Hello, ladies. How are you doing? Good.
hi!
Hello. Hello. Where you head to?
Aloha!
Not today.
Oh my God. Ito na.
Yeah.
Ano daw?
Not today?
Why not
Is
today?
it's closed? Why not today? If we can do it today, let's do it today.
Well, if we could, then you guys
I
would
know,
have
right?
I would have been here with you.
Oh!
You'd have got in, but now I'm not with you.
Oh!
So today cannot. You guys
Cannot
are leaving
today.
tomorrow?
Yeah. Tomorrow?
No, okay. So she's not
Tomorrow's
with
open.
you. Okay, I'll take Howard. What day are you leaving?
Well, we'll be staying here for 2 months.
2 months?
Yes.
Well, come
Woo!
tomorrow. Come tomorrow.
Tomorrow is what already? Today is what?
Today is Wednesday. Tomorrow is Thursday.
Thursday na tomorrow.
No, listen,
What are you looking for?
lady.
Listen to that. I'm trying to tell you something.
Here. So next time you put me in your car.
Oh my God.
I want something.
Oh, nang-etchos pa to. Oh.
Tomorrow, you come in at 6:45.
6:45 a.m. you open. Okay.
You open. So you can come in.
Miss Wonderful ba to?
The other phone is Miss Wonderful.
Ay, bakit wala akong internet?
Because after
May problem.
September 8th,
Naka-open.
we are closed for 2 weeks.
After September 8.
We gotta pay for.
Ah,
Heaven as you
This is close to heaven?
Yes.
Oh my God, we don't want to
If you
go
wanna
to
get
heaven
close
yet.
To hell, this is as close to hell as you can. Alright, guys.
Okay,
have a good
alright.
day.
Bye, thank you.
Bye, Anthony!
Alright, bye.
Alright. Di ba? Nakapag-isip na agad kayo ng mga pangalan niyo, ah. Hello, Faye? Christine? Maka Christine Reyes ka naman.
Okay.
Ako na Martina naman ako. Saan ko naman nakuha yung pangalan na Martina? Mga telenovela. Alam mo naman ako mahilig sa telenovela. So, hindi kami makapasok. Ano ba yung pinuntahan natin? Backlash?
Bakit kaya wala akong internet? Girl, mahina.
Naputol nga yung isang phone. Ito nga naputol eh. Shoreline? Oh my goodness, look at that. It's so pretty. Oh my God. Hindi naputol. Nag-ano lang siya. Naputol lang siya for a while. Okay. Wow. Ano yung signal nila hindi maganda. Nice! Look at that, darling. Wow, wowee! Oh my goodness, ang bongga, oh. Ganda. Nice. Maliligo tayo mamaya, maliligo. Titigil ba tayo dito?
Tumabad dyan. Tumabad din tayo na.
Ang gagawin natin dito?
Aura-aura tayo.
Mag-aura-aura. Okay. Sabi mo mag-aura-aura, hindi mag-aura-aura tayo.
Maglalike ako dyan.
O sige, mag-live ka. Okay, buksan mo na ang telon. So, nandito na kami, mga palangga. Bababa kami. Bakit tayo, anong pangalan ng park na yon? Okay, sige, baba tayo. Mag-pictorial tayo dito. Bababa pa tayo o pula tayo dito?
Bumaba kayo.
Hindi na, okay na. Iwan natin yung bag natin, hindi na tayo aalis. Okay, bakla. Oh, anong gusto mo gawin sa akin?
Ay, asyo.
Move ka ng konti. Hi! Ayan, that's good. Hindi tayo lalayo. Hi! Dapat pa nakatayo kanina. Oh, bongga-bongga. Kaso lang, syempre. Ay, ayan. Ayan, happy graduation. So, ang ganda ng beach nila dito, ang bongga. Tsaka yung weather.
Pero bakit wala akong nakakonect na?
Nakakonect ka dun sa isang phone ko.
Oo nga, pero ayaw.
Oh, ha? Halika dito, Baklish. Tignan mo, ganda-ganda ng aking lady driver. I know. I can't help it, darling. Oh, tignan mo. Yan yung aming car. O, si Bakla, oh, ready na maligo. Wala nang. Ready na siya. O, tignan ko mga kasama namin. Mag-picture muna tayo dito sa car. So, Ako naman. Ako naman drive. Ayan. Ayun, mag-picture-picture pala tayo dito sa karagatan. Nakita niyo yung view. Teka, para ma-enjoy nyo. Ayan, oh. So that's the beauty of Hawaii. Ayan. Alright, so mga palangga, I think mag-pictorial muna kami dahil, nakita nyo naman yung mga activities natin dito sa Hawaii ngayon. Ayan, at nag-graduate ako sa elementary. Naalala ko lang kasi nung graduation ko sa elementary, sinabitan ako nito ng aking lola. So, mag-pictorial muna kami ng bonggang-bongga. Then, I'll be back kung saan kami pupunta. Alright? See you later! We're having fun!